The SMACO Mini Scuba Tank Kit is a versatile option for both snorkeling and diving, featuring a flexible breathing system that allows seamless transition from surface to underwater breathing. This innovative scuba kit employs separate channels for inhaling and exhaling, ensuring a smooth and comfortable breathing experience while preventing fogging and seawater intrusion. With multiple usage options, the kit includes 2 snorkels and a mouthpiece, allowing users to customize their diving or snorkeling experience according to their needs. Traveling with this compact scuba tank is hassle-free, as it can be easily disassembled and is suitable for various underwater activities such as snorkeling, recreational diving, and pool inspections. The SMACO snorkel mask provides an impressive 180-degree field of vision underwater, reducing dizziness and enhancing the clarity of your underwater adventure. Its 360-degree rotating snorkel tube allows for greater freedom of movement, and the mask is equipped with a mount to capture your underwater experiences with a camera.